How to organize live events with 600,000 plus people, and I'm gonna reveal how I do it. What are the landing pages, what are the ads, which ads work the best, how much are we paying per customer, how we plan to get thousands of people inside, and ultimately what is kind of the idea, how I do it, and my kind of philosophy on it. This is a chill video, no aggression, simple. I'm gonna just relax and just tell you and show you actual examples, and I hope you can learn certain things about it so you can use it for yourself. So for events, I have a sales page, looks like this one. This is the basically the newest one. A cool things for any landing pages I would recommend you to add is how many tickets left, maybe this kind of section where there's help. And then we added the proven source, which is a new thing we didn't do before. And yeah, like the problems, book a ticket, the event plan, who's gonna speak at the event, tickets, different pricing. Yeah, so I do these events with a very low price. And we basically don't make money on event ticket sales. We basically break even right now. And we kind of do these events to build branding. I love doing them. I'm gonna do it less, but I want to do like more people. The last one we had 660 people. The first one we had 110, so it's a good growth. The next one, which is gonna be in March, I'm filming this video on 10th January. We're gonna have probably 1,000 to 2,000 people, depending how aggressive we go. But I think it's gonna be a lot of people. Lessons here, what you could do and use. So we run ads to this, and we have this like page with reviews, etc. The coolest thing we're doing, which I think can help anybody do it, start promoting an event very, very fast. So I started to promote this in December, and we already have 340 people bought tickets. So which is cool. You can imagine that's quite a lot of people, because my last event, it had 660 people. I sold 80% of tickets 1 month before it started. So it was the 25th October. So start sooner, that's first advice. Second advice, have a sales page that looks like this. Third advice, I think this one element I really like, and it's kind of gives this more tangible feeling to the ticket. Next thing, do price increases. And I recommend you to do it every month or even every 15 days, because we also see right now, every time the price will go up and we gradually increase it. Every time it goes up, more people buy. It is the urgency, scarcity steroid, how we call it, that makes people, to pull the trigger, take the action, make a move, it helps to do that. So next thing, of course, have order bumps, of course. And here's a realistic expectation from ads. So this is our event, this page last month. So actual examples, okay? So we spent 8,000 euros on ads. We got 146 sales. It means maybe more tickets, but actual sales, conversions, okay? Cost per conversion was 55 euros, and we got back a return on ad spend 1.01. So basically break even. Realistically, it's bad, because we're gonna host the event, we're gonna do the event, and it's gonna be expensive. You might be saying, how expensive, Nix? Okay, so this is Latvia, by the way. So this is how much it was for me. I spent on the venue itself with that personnel. So it was, I think, these things. These things I spent 9K. So I spent 9,000 euros on it. And then we had like miscellaneous expenses for 4,000. But of course, these are, like crazy things, because we basically bought a PC, which we gave away. And on ads, I spent 16,000. So we spent 30,000 euros to have 660 people at the center in 25 October. So that is a realistical thing. And outside of Europe, I think it could be way more expensive, but in Europe, I think you can do this similar. Atta Centers is the most prestigious place to do events in Baltics, so it is one of the biggest. This is the place. This is not, the pictures here is not actually where we had the event. So we had the event like here, which is first floor. No, sorry, this is actually, I don't think it's first floor. So we had it on the first floor in a big arena. Some key things I think is worth mentioning after they purchase with the order bumps, so have to, and invite them to buy more. So basically, I'm here selling every order bump one more time. So one more order bump, one more order bump, one more order bump. So I do 3 order bumps. I see 10 to 20% of people take some of these OTOs, which are called. So do this. Next thing. Make sure somebody physically calls or SMSs or WhatsApps people who have previously bought from you and offers tickets. Like from the last event where we had the 100 the tickets sold to the 600, I think 30 people or even more people bought the next one. And from the 16600 event, which was in 25 October for us, for the March one, we already have 100 people who have bought, and we are gonna, you know, continue to send them, nurture them, and I think more people will buy it because they like don't know, because it's like so much in advance. It's like 4 months in advance, these events. Next, at the event, make sure somebody films reviews or emotions from these people who attended the events, and then use that as promotion. For us, great way to do it. Next thing, have a video guy who can film the event, make branding, make pictures, and make like cool video montages. So it's like sells more the atmosphere, because it is very hard to set. Basically, this event thing is very hard to kind of communicate the value and show the emotions. If you're providing energy, emotions, motivation, it's very hard to communicate it with like an image or the video. You can do that. Okay, so get video. And last thing, events are not very profitable for me in my experience so far, but I love to do them. I love to share this kind of intimacy with these people for one day. I plan to do bigger ones, and of course I plan to be better on selling, being better on stage selling. So first one we generated I think 5,000 from stage. The second one we generated 38,000 from stage. So we are planning to do that, and that's how we enrolled I think 28 customers in one day. So pretty cool. And if you can do that virtually, I think it's also fine. And this is just the video. I was just, you know, like laid back, explaining you, showing you. I hope this was valuable. Maybe write a question or comment what kind of things you came up to your mind which were not clear, and we can make a future video on that. So stay sharp, make a move. See you in the event.